I want to invite you to the Invitation to Heal in Orlando, Florida, April 26th to May 2nd. This is a chance and an opportunity for you to meet with other women who are going through a healing process. Some of the people that come through our healing intensive want to become coaches. They want to be healers. They feel that they have a calling in their life. And others are there just to get that grounding and that footing into their authentic identity and the healing that's so required for them to live out their potential. We're going to be doing 7 days and 7 nights of radical transformation work. We do this using interactive projects, prayer, teaching, group activities, and a whole lot of fun. Even though this is a serious event in the sense that we are doing heavy lifting, it's also a joyful event. We are centered around the empowering reality of who Jesus is and how he works. If you feel disconnected from your head to your heart, that you know the principles of Christianity and yet you can't seem to connect with them or interact with them in a way that's authentic and real, this healing intensive dives right into that space. This is about finding the real you and being able to walk in that for the rest of your life. Who did God make you to be? What are the barriers that are causing you to not be able to live in the way you were designed? If you want to join us or have any interest in this, please reach out by clicking on the form below and I will send you more information. Again, 2026 Healing Intensive. We're going to the East Coast. We're going to Orlando, Florida, April 26th to May 2nd. I hope to see you there. I can't wait to meet you.